Hey, how you doing? Justin here. Today we are checking out That'll Be the Day by Buddy Holly. Now this is kind of a more consolidating beginners kind of level tune, the way I'm going to show it to you, because it's mixing up the chunka blues that we've learned as part of the beginners course, dominant seventh chord. It's got a few pushes where the strums are a little bit before the beat. It's got movements between the chunka thing and the strumming patterns, which are a little bit trickier to navigate. So this isn't a super easy one. Okay, this is for like beginners that have gone through the course. They're looking for something a little bit more challenging. Do remember that this is a multi-level kind of a tune. So if you're a beginner guitar player, don't be trying to do that chunka or be disappointed that you can't. You've got something to look forward to later on. Just stick with the regular basic A chord and D chord, strum along. You are going to need your dominant seventh chords, and you might find there's a couple of spots there where the rhythm is pushed, where the strum comes a little early. Doesn't really matter if you miss them, to be honest. It sounds a bit more like the track, and the drums are picking it up as well, but it's not going to make any difference to your ability to play along with the track. So let's go. If you enjoyed this play along thing, do go and check out my beginner song course app, available for Android and iOS. There'll be a link in the description. There's hundreds of songs. Really great thing for beginners to be keeping track of their rhythm. Okay, the drums being there means that you have to be solid all the time. None of this funny pausing thing between chords. You know, if your chord gets fluffed up, you just have to keep going and make sure your rhythm stays strong, which is super important for beginner guitar players. Do please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you dig what I do, and if you're over there, hit the link in the description. Go and check out the website where all of the lessons and songs are all structured really well, particularly for beginner guitar players. I'm sure you're going to dig it. I'll see you for plenty more very soon. You take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.